To delete annoying lines that cannot be deleted in Microsoft Word. Follow these steps. Click just before the line you want to delete. Then, in the Home tab, in the Paragraph section, locate the border options. It's here. From this drop-down list, click on the last option, Borders and Shading. Now, in this window, under the first tab, click on None, here under Setting, then click on OK. You have done it. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by TechBee. Please like this video. And let us know your experience with this video by commenting below. Please subscribe this channel for my new videos. Thank you.